In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the futures order history panel to your Binance trading layout. If you use Binance on the desktop terminal or through the advanced web interface, customizing your workspace can make trading much more efficient. One of the most useful tools to keep visible is your futures order history, because it lets you quickly review your recent activity without having to switch between sections. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to bring that panel into your main layout and keep it there for easy access. Start by opening the Binance desktop terminal, or if you prefer using your browser, open the advanced web interface instead. Once the platform is fully loaded, make sure you're on the main trading screen where the chart, order book, and trading tools are visible. This is important because the workspace customization options are available from within the trading layout itself. Next, navigate to futures trading. Depending on your current view, you may need to switch from spot trading or another market section into the futures area. Take a moment to confirm that you're on the correct futures trading screen before moving on, since the panel you want to add is specifically tied to futures activity. After that, look toward the bottom panel of the interface. In this area, you should find a tab labeled Add Workspace or Tool with a plus symbol. Click that option to open the available workspace elements you can add to your screen. In some layouts, you may also be able to access the same panel more directly by clicking the Order History header instead. Either route is fine, so use whichever option appears in your version of the interface. Once the futures order history panel appears, drag it into position on your primary layout screen. As you move it, pay attention to the placement guides so you can dock it neatly where it fits best with the rest of your setup. A good tip here is to place it somewhere that doesn't block your chart or order entry tools, but still stays visible enough for quick review during trading. Finally, lock the futures order history panel into place. This ensures it stays anchored in your primary workspace and won't shift around accidentally while you're using the platform. After it's locked, your layout will be more streamlined and your order history will be much easier to monitor in real time. That's it. You've successfully added and locked